Oh, bruh, again?
Late tonight.
Oh, no.
Leva stage was 10.9 feet.
Again?
Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast.
Can you not go off twice?
Forecast. The river is expected to rise
My
above
family's trying
flood
to
stage
sleep,
late
thanks.
this evening to a crest of 11.2 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Impact at 9.0
That's
feet.
gonna
Flooding
stop.
begins in fields and floodplain adjacent to the river. Impact at 11.0 feet. Flooding begins in the town of Christiana.
Flood
East
warning.
Main Street, Del 7 begins to flood, as does Water Street.
Enough!
Road near Newcastle Airport is subject to flooding. Barksdale Road near Cashew Mill Road is also subject to flooding, as are residential backyards. Impact at 11.5
Where is
feet.
this?
Portions of Durris Heights near Newcastle Airport begin to flood, including Don Avenue. Airport Road at the Newcastle Airport begins to flood as the Christina River backs up to Nunsuch Creek. Waltha Road in the Bear area also floods. Flooding also occurs around Smalley's Pond Dam in Christiana. Crest of 11.3 feet on March 22nd, 1999. Here is the official national weather.
Is that a different flood warning? There's two flood warnings. Okay, I see.